Hello students, good morning. Today we will have chapter statistics. In this we will study the last topic, that is mean, median, mode. What do you mean by mean? The another name of the mean we will understand by its formula. We will see it, then it will be equal to the average. If mean we will find according to the formula of average, then also it will be correct. So we will have the formula of mean as same as the average, that is sum of numbers divided by number of numbers. This is the formula of mean. Next topic that we need to understand, median. Mean one, the another formula that you will study in your higher classes, that is class 10th. So now only this much formula needed for you. Next one is median. Median having the two formula, in which there is based on the number of the elements given there. If the number of elements, total number of elements of the given data will be odd number or even number, then they both having the different formula. If suppose n is the number of elements or number of data or number of numbers, then according to that one we will have formula. First formula is if n is equal to odd, then median is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2th term. And second one, if n is equal to even, then for the median we will have formula as 1 by 2 into n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term. To find out the median, at first it is very necessary to arrange the given data into ascending order. It is the first priority to find out the median. And the last one that we need to understand, that is mode. Mode means the number which comes in the largest times or whose frequency will be large, that is called mode. Largest frequency number. Largest frequency number is called mode. Also for the mean there is one symbol by which the mean word is being represented. Mean is represented by a symbol that is known as X bar. That symbol. According to these formulas, we will see one question, and according to that, you can solve any of the question related to this. So I am explaining one question related to this formula. Kindly note down these formulas for your future reference. Here is one question, that is find the mean, median and mode. For the given data we need to find all the three together, and the given data is 23, 15, 25, 23, 15, 25, then 40, 27, 40, 27, 25, 22, 25, 22, again 25, and last one is 20. 25 and last one is 20. This is our given data. So according to this one, at first we need to find mean. We'll apply our formula. Formula is sum of numbers divided by number of numbers. No need to write mean again and again, just keep its symbol. Mean is equal to sum of number. We need to add all these numbers. So we will write all these numbers with a plus sign. 23 plus 15 plus 25 plus 40 plus 27 plus 25 plus 22 plus 25 plus 20 divided by what is the number of numbers? It means the total numbers count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total number is 9 divided by 9. Now on adding and dividing it by 9 we will get the answer. This implies x bar is equal to, add these numbers, 5 to 7, 7 and 5 12, 12 and 7 19, 19 and 5 24, 24 and 5 29, 29 and 3 32, 2 carry 3, 3 to 5 6, 7 8, 8 and 4 12, 12 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 20, 122. 222 divided by 9. On dividing, whatever the number we will get, that will be our answer. It means 9 to 18 we will have 42, then 9 4 is 36. Afterward we will have 6 as remainder, decimal, it will be 60, and 9 6 are 54, 9 6 are 54. So mean of the given data will be 24.66. Next term, it was the first that we need to find. Next one that we need to find, that one is median. For median, at first we need to arrange the given data in ascending order. For arranging, just write down from smallest to biggest. What is the smallest number in it? That is 15. 15, then 20, afterward 22, after 22 it is 23, then 25 3 times, 1 2 3, afterward 27, and at last is 40. This was the arrangement of the given data in ascending order. Now find out the n. N is equal to 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It is 9. That is our odd. For odd we will have the formula of median as n plus 1 divided by 2th term. Not this much only. Whatever the term will come in this place, that will be our answer. So we will get, in place of n, put the value of n, that is 9. 9 plus 1 divided by 2th term. That is 9 plus 1, 10. 10 divided by 2. It means 5th term. Now just see that what number is there in the 5th term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 5th term there is 25. So median will be 25. This implies median is equal to 25. Now last one that we need to find, that is mod. Now only I explained that what is mod. Mod is the highest frequency number. Whichever the number is coming the most of the time, that is called mod. Which number is coming most of the time? 15 is coming 1 time, 20 1 time, 23 1 time, 25 is coming 3 times, 27 1, 41. It means 25 is coming most of the time. That's why the mod will be 25. No need to do anything, just only write mod is equal to 25. Because whichever the number is coming most of the time, that number is only known as the mod. This was our topic, today's topic, in which we need to find mean, median, mod. Same type of question you will get in NCERT book and other book also. You can solve from there. For today, this much only. For the next one, we will see next. Thank you.